November, December 2021 and January 2022 current affairs. Okay, first appointments. UNICEF Executive Director. Recently, UNICEF Executive Director was appointed, and she was Catherine Russell. United Nations International Children's Education Fund. For this fund, the Executive Director is Catherine Russell. And Neeli Bendapudi, she was the first woman president of PSU, Pennsylvania State University. This is in America, and for the first time for a foreign university, especially in America, Pennsylvania State University, she was the first woman president. Neeli Bendapudi from Andhra Pradesh. She is now Indo-American. Neeli Bendapudi. Okay, and FICCI president, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FICCI president Sanjeev Mehta. He was appointed as the president. He was elected as the president of FICCI, and the director general was Arun Chawla. Arun Chawla, director general, and FICCI president is Sanjeev Mehta. And National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. And for this, chairperson was Alka Upadhyaya was elected as the chairperson. And for Walt Disney, here you can see the picture of Walt Disney, and first woman chairperson of Walt Disney, Susan Arnold. And you can remember, the hero Arnold. So in the same way, Susan Arnold, first woman chairperson of Walt Disney. You can easily remember like this, Susan Arnold. And IMF, International Monetary Fund. For International Monetary Fund, you know that Geeta Gopinath earlier acted as the chief economist. Now she became the first deputy managing director. Here you can see the picture of her, Geeta Gopinath, first deputy MD for IMF, International Monetary Fund, Geeta Gopinath. And recently Prime Minister of Japan was elected, Fumio Kishida. Here you can see the picture of Fumio Kishida. And Fumio Kishida was now the Prime Minister of Japan. And UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Cultural and Creative Industries was recently elected, and her name was Naomi Kawase. Naomi Kawase was the UNESCO's Goodwill Ambassador. Now, Kazakhstan Prime Minister, he was recently elected. His name was Ali Khan Smailov. And for Kazakhstan, capital is Nur Sultan, is the capital of Kazakhstan. And Ali Khan Smailov, remember it as Ali. Simply, Ali was the Prime Minister of Kazakhstan, Ali Khan Smailov. Okay. And Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This is an organization, SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And for Shanghai Cooperation Organization, headquarters are not Shanghai but Beijing. Beijing was the headquarters for Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And the Secretary General of SCO was Zhang Ming. Ming was the Secretary General. Now the Secretary General for SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. And Chairman of UN Counter-Terrorism Committee. In United Nations, there will be many committees, and one of the committees is a Counter-Terrorism Committee, CTC. And the chairman was our Indian elected T.S. Tirumurti. T.S. Tirumurti was the chairman of UN Counter-Terrorism Committee. This was important. And Director General of National Mission for Clean Ganga, which is under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. This National Mission for Clean Ganga, Director General was appointed. His name was Ashok Kumar, Director General. And for first woman CMD, Chairman cum Managing Director in ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. For Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, first woman CMD was Alka Mittal. Okay. And in Pakistan, first woman judge was appointed in Supreme Court. Supreme Court's first woman judge, and her name was Ayesha Malik. Ayesha Malik, AM. Ayesha Malik was the Supreme Court's first woman judge. In India's case, it is Justice Fatima Bibi. We have to remember this name also. Fatima Bibi was the first woman first woman judge in our Supreme Court. In Pakistan Supreme Court, it is Ayesha Malik. Okay, Ayesha Malik. And if you see CAPF, there are 5 forces in Central Armed Police Forces. Those forces are Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and Sasastra Seema Bal. These are the 5 forces which are under Ministry of Home Affairs, under Home Minister, that is Amit Shah ji. Under his ministry, these 5 forces were present. And recently Sasastra Seema Bal Director General was appointed. His name was Sanjay Arora. You can remember it as SSB, Sasastra Seema Bal. More 2 S's are there, so his name was also starts with S. Sanjay Arora was the Director General. And these Sasastra Seema Bal forces were deployed in Nepal, Bhutan. Our friendly countries Nepal, Bhutan were present. There these Sasastra Seema Bal forces will do their duty. And for Central Industrial Security Force, which is one of the 5 forces, for this Sheel Vardhan Singh was appointed as the Director General, CISF, Central Industrial Security Force, and it is Sheel Vardhan Singh. And in Assam Police, first woman IG was appointed. Her name was Violet Barua. First woman IG in Assam, her name was Violet Barua. And Ravinder Bakar was appointed as the CEO of Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC. And he was also MD of National Film Development Corporation and Children Film Society of India, CFSI. These 3 are organizations: CFSI, Children's Film Society of India, and National Film Development Corporation. He was the MD. Now he got the CEO post, CEO of CBFC, Central Board of Film Certification, Ravinder Bakar. Okay. And recently Czech Republic, a country in Europe, got a Prime Minister was elected. Name was Petr Fiala, Prime Minister of Czech Republic. And Czech Republic is also known as Czechia. And Czech Republic former name is, earlier this Czech Republic was known as Bohemia. Now it is known as Czechia or Czech Republic. And the capital of Czech Republic was Prague. And the Prime Minister was Petr Fiala, Prime Minister of Czech Republic. Okay. And Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. This is a Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Indirect Taxes and Customs was appointed, and his name was Vivek Johri. And Rajya Sabha Secretary General was PC Modi. PC Modi was the Secretary General of Rajya Sabha. And Chief of Naval Staff, CNS, was Harikumar. You can remember it as R stands for some river. Instead of river, we have sea here. Some naval staff, Navy related. So Harikumar. And Rajya Sabha SG, you can remember it as PC Modi. You know this name. And Sourav Ganguly was appointed as ICC Men's Cricket Committee Chairman. Not ICC, not the chairman of ICC, but ICC Men's Cricket Committee. Many committees were present in International Cricket Council, and one of the committee is Men's Cricket Committee. For this committee, very important committee, so Ganguly was the chairman. And the International Cricket Council chairman was Greg Barclay. You can remember it as clay chair. Sometimes children will make chairs with clay toy. So clay chair, like that. Greg Barclay was the chairman of ICC, and CEO was Geoff Allardyce, CEO of ICC. Instead of CEO, GEO. GEO means Geoff Allardyce was the ICC CEO, and chairman was Greg Barclay. So, and Enforcement Directorate Chief, ED Chief was appointed, and in fact he got an extension in his service. ED Chief was Sanjay Kumar Mishra, SK Mishra. Sanjay Kumar Mishra was the Enforcement Directorate Chief. And these two are their company law tribunals. Companies Act 2013. Under this act there are two tribunals. One is a normal tribunal, another one was appellate tribunal. That means if conflict arises, first the persons will go to tribunal. If they are not satisfied with the judgment given by tribunal, they will go to appellate tribunal. For this tribunal there will be president will be present in tribunal. In appellate tribunal, the higher authority is called chairperson. So president in case of tribunal, chairperson in case of appellate tribunal. That's why National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal chairperson was Ashok Bhushan. And here A stands for appellate, and in A you can say Ashok, A for Ashok. Ashok Bhushan was the chairperson. And NCLT president was Ramalingam Sudhakar. Ramalingam Sudhakar was the National Company Law Tribunal president. And here is Sweden. This is a country. And the first female prime minister of Sweden was Magdalena Andersson. Here you can see her picture. Here she was Magdalena Andersson. She was the first female prime minister of Sweden. And recently Kuwait prime minister was again re-elected. His name was Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid. You can remember it as K for Kuwait, K for Khalid. Khalid was the prime minister. Sabah Al Khalid. And now awards and honors. Nobel Prizes in the year 2021. And you know that physics, literature, economics, medicine, chemistry Nobel Prizes were given, and peace. 6 categories: peace, physics, literature, economics, medicine, chemistry. In these 6 categories Nobel Prizes were given. And in the peace category, Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov, these were journalists, lady journalist Ressa and Dmitry Muratov, he is a male journalist. They got the peace prize for their efforts to safeguard freedom of expression, which is a precondition for democracy and lasting peace. And Maria Ressa from Philippines and Dmitry Muratov, these two got a Nobel Prize. Okay, remember it as Mr. Peace. MR, M for Muratov, R for Ressa. Muratov, Ressa, peace. Okay. And in physics, Sukuro Manabe from Japan and Klaus Hasselmann and Giorgio Parisi, these 3 persons got the Nobel Prize in physics. Manabe, Hasselmann, Parisi. Remember it as HM Parisi. H for Hasselmann, M for Manabe. Hasselmann, Manabe, Parisi. These 3 got physics Nobel Prize. And the literature prize was awarded to a Tanzanian novelist, Abdul Razak Gurnah. Generally these Nobel Prizes were given to were got by developed countries. The persons in developed countries generally gets the Nobel Prizes, but here Tanzania, African country, from African country, Tanzanian novelist Abdul Razak Gurnah got a literature prize. Okay, literature Nobel Prize for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of the effects of colonialism and the fate of the refugee in the gulf between cultures and continents. And Abdul Razak Gurnah, he was from Africa, Tanzania, and he wrote about the colonialism and its effects, because his father was a slave who came to this African country as during colonial times. So he wrote about these colonial effects and the refugee crisis. So he got a literature prize, Abdul Razak Gurnah. Remember, generally in literature we will the persons who are called as Gurujis. So here Gur is there, Gurnah, Abdul Razak Gurnah literature prize in 2021. Okay. In economics, David Card, Joshua Angrist, Guido Imbens, these 3 persons got economics Nobel Prize. I remember it as AC Imbens. A for Angrist, C for card. And to buy AC, generally we will see our economics, right? So AC for angrist, C for card. Angrist, card, imbens, these three persons, economics. In medicine, David Julius and Adam Petapausian. Adam Petapausian and Julius got medicine Nobel Prize. In chemistry, List and Macmillan. Benjamin List and David Macmillan. In chemistry, you know that two structures were present, benzene and generally magnesium. So here Ma stands for magnesium, Benjamin benzene. So like that you can remember. Benjamin List and David Macmillan got a chemistry Nobel Prize. And Smriti Mandana. You can see here Smriti Mandana here. And she got Rachel Heyhoe Flint Trophy for ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. So Rachel Heyhoe Flint was a woman cricketer, okay, and on her name Rachel Heyhoe Flint trophy is given for ICC Women's Cricketer. And Smriti Mandana got this ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award. And ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year was Joe Root. And you can see Joe Root here. Joe Root got the Test Cricketer of the Year. And Robert Lewandowski, FIFA Best Men's Player Award for 2021. Here you can see Robert Lewandowski, and he got this FIFA Best Men's Player Award. This is a prestigious award, and Robert Lewandowski got this prize. And you know that our favorite Lionel Messi, Ballon d'Or Award for the best player in the world in 2021. Lionel Messi here, he got the Ballon d'Or Award. This is given based on the rankings given by the coaches and players as well as coaches. They will give marks, and based on this Ballon d'Or award was given, and Messi got this prize. And FIFA awarded best men's player to Robert Lewandowski. Please remember, Robert Lewandowski was the FIFA best men's player. And Simone Biles is the Times 2021 Athlete of the Year. You can see gymnast Simone Biles. She got the gold here, okay. Times 2021 Athlete of the Year. And Anju Bobby George, she got the Women of the Year award. Women of the Year award from World Athletics. Women of the Year award from World Athletics. She was in fact participated in Olympics also, and she was grooming young girls in her academy. That's why she got this Women of the Year award from World Athletics. Anju Bobby George from Kerala, okay. And Cyprian Foyer's prize, and this prize is related to mathematics. In mathematics field, this prize was given. Remember, it has C in alphabetical order 3 and F in alphabetical order 6. So 3, 6. In this way it is becoming double, so it is related to mathematics. Remember like this. Cyprian Foyer's prize, mathematics field. And Cyprian Foyer's prize was given to Indian-American mathematician, Indo-American, and his name was Nikhil Srivastava. Nikhil Srivastava got this Cyprian Foyer's prize. He is an Indo-American, and for his contribution in operator theory, he got this prize from American Mathematical Society. And Miss Universe 2021, this is very important. Miss Universe 2021, and an Indian, Harnaz Sandhu, she was from Punjab, and she got 2021 Miss Universe, okay, Harnaz Sandhu. And this is the Miss Universe 2021. This is the 17th edition, 17th Miss Universe 2021 edition. And in this edition, she got Harnaz Sandhu. And it was held, this Miss Universe was held, this program was held in Israel country, okay. And so far only 2 Indians got this Miss Universe, and Harnaz Sandhu was the 3rd Indian, okay. And the two Indians were Sushmita Sen in 1994, way back in 1994, Sushmita Sen was the first Indian. And after that, Lara Datta in 2000, in the year 2000, Lara Datta. Now after some 21 years, Harna Sandhu got this prize. Okay. And if you talk about this Miss Universe and Miss World, who is the Miss World here? Miss World 2021. This award was given to Shailene Ford. Shailene Ford got this Miss World 2021. And Shailene Ford, Miss World was this Miss World program was held in Las Vegas in America. Las Vegas, okay. And Shailene Ford was the Miss World. And this Miss Universe, Miss World, these are some international beauty pageants. International beauty pageants, beauty programs. And the 4 are Miss World, Miss Universe, Miss International, and Miss Earth. Okay. And Golden Peacock Award, this is related to cinema field. And Golden Peacock Award at IFFI in Goa, International Film Festival of India in Goa. And this prize, Golden Peacock Award, was given to Ring Wandering movie. Ring Wandering movie. And this movie got the Golden Peacock Award at International Film Festival of India in Goa in 2021 edition. And Victor Axelsen is got a BWF, Badminton World Federation Male Player of Award. BWF, Badminton World Federation Male Player of Year, Victor Axelsen. Okay. And Shruti Sitara she is a transgender, and she is the first Indian to win Miss Trans Global 2021. Miss Trans, just once wait. Shruti Sitara got Miss Trans Global 2021. Miss Trans Global 2021 award, Shruti Sitara. Okay. Please remember, this is very important, Miss Trans. And Dhanush, he was awarded a Best Actor award. Best Actor award in male category. Best Actor in male category in 6th BRICS Film Festival. Not this film festival, not International Film Festival, but BRICS Film Festival. In BRICS Film Festival, Best Actor award in male category goes to Dhanush. Okay. Thank you very much.